Avaya Aura core components implement certified exam 71201X updated dumps questions are the best material for you to study. Share some updated 71201X exam dumps questions here. 1. What are two functions of Avaya Aura Session Manager, SM? Choose 2. A. It acts as an H.323 call controller. B. It provides a point of registration for SIP endpoints. C. It acts as a centralized SIP routing and integration tool. D. It acts as an H.323 routing engine. E. It registers digital, DCP. 2. To enable an Avaya Aura Session Manager, SM, to be administered and maintained in a SIP domain, which step must be performed? A. Add SM as an instance. B. Add SM as a serviceability agent. C. Add SM as a managed element. D. Check the Enable box on the SM entity page. 3. Which link configuration is used to connect an Avaya Aura Media Server, AAMS, with Avaya Aura Communication Manager, CM? A. An H.248 link. B. A trunk group. C. A signaling group. D. A SIP entity link. 4. After deploying a new Avaya Aura Session Manager, SM, what is its initial service state? A. Accept new service. B. Deny all service. C. Service mode. D. Maintenance mode. 5. From Avaya Aura Release 10.1, which statement regarding Communication Manager, CM, identity certificates is true? A. CM should have a System Manager signed or third-party signed certificate installed. B. CM can only use a System Manager signed identity certificate. C. CM identity certificates are valid for only 1 year. D. CM can only use a third-party signed identity certificate. 6. Which product performs the tasks of SIP registration and authentication? A. Avaya Aura Session Manager, SM. B. Avaya Aura System Manager, SMGR. C. Avaya Aura Communication Manager, CM. D. Avaya Aura Media Server, AAMS. 7. Which additional function does Avaya Aura System Manager, SMGR, provide? A. An onboard LDAP server. B. An Integrated Network Time Protocol, NTP, server. C. An Integral Web LM License server. D. An Integrated Domain Name Service, DNS, server. 8. Which 3 ways can be used to configure an Avaya Workplace client? Choose 3. A. User's corporate email address, using Avaya Aura Device Services and DNS Server. B. Advanced mode. C. Web address, URL, using Avaya Aura Device Services. D. Manually, expert mode. E. Basic mode. 9. A SIP user was able to log in using the latest Avaya Workplace client, but unable to log in using an older 1X Communicator client. What is the cause of this problem? A. 1X Communicator only supports H.323 connections. B. The Avaya Aura Session Manager, SM, minimum endpoint TLS version is set above 1.0. C. For 1X Communicator registrations, Avaya Aura Session Manager, SM, is set to deny. D1X Communicator does not support SIP. 10. Call Admission Control, CAC. Sharing allows which two components of Avaya Aura to centrally coordinate the allocation of bandwidth for calls? Choose 2. A. Avaya Aura Communication Manager, CM. B. Avaya Aura Session Manager, SM. C. Avaya Aura System Manager, SMGR. D. Avaya Aura Media Server, AAMS.